So this post comes off easily with a pair of vice grips. There's no thread lock on the end. It goes into a piece of 3/8 inch steel, I'm sorry, 3/16 inch steel that's threaded on the inside of the sweeper, but comes out pretty easily. Let's see if I can show you how I'll show you how this one comes out. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. Put a piece of cardboard around there to protect the threads. Two, 3 turns, 4 turns, 5 turns, 6 turns, 7 turns, 8 turns, 9 turns, and it comes out. So now we get the big reveal. Let's see what this magnet looks like. So this is what we got. One, two, three, a big gap in the middle, 4, 5, 6, 7 magnets.